Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of JB Outdoors. Today we're going to go check our garden just after a hell of a storm that we had recently. Actually, our basement flooded for the first time in 7 years, so disregard all the rugs hanging on the fence. If you have any questions regarding the pond here in the background, I actually have another channel that I just started regarding that. It's called JB Pondscape, so I'll link it down below. But any questions you have regarding pond or pondscaping, anything like that, that's been a really big project of mine this spring. But another project that we had was our raised garden beds here. We actually found those on Amazon, and this year, man, they really are producing. So prior to that, we just had a garden in pots. So this year they're actually yielding some serious numbers. So we've got a various amount of peppers here, some marigolds and things to keep pests away. Being that they're raised garden beds, it hasn't really been an issue anyway, but it's kind of nice to have a little bit of color in there. But got some Hungarian hot peppers here. Got some down here. So this is quickly overrun. We have got some pickles here, and the problem with pickles are you can see this jalapeno plant's getting pulled down by the little fingers from the pickles produce. So today I'm going to see what we got. Like I said, wow, that pepper plant's got some serious numbers on it. After this big rain that we had, typically you see some serious growth out of everything. I've got some cherry tomatoes. Nice. Yeah, that's it. Nothing better than picking something out of your garden and getting to eat that right away. So yeah, I'm gonna hope that I'm gonna look it around and see some pickles. You can see some of these younger ones. Those are getting kind of close. Every once in a while though, I'm surprised, like I find a serious pickle here. Yeah, look at this one. I'm gonna pick this one. Yeah, look at that thing. It might even be too big. Nice. Supposed to knock all these things off. Oh man. Hold on a second. There's like these little prickly things on there. That's what I'm kind of rubbing off of there. This one was kind of sitting in the dirt, so hopefully it's okay. And this one plant already, we're gonna have to do something with these. Obviously they will like keep producing for a little while. You can see all these little other pickles here. Some people might call these cucumbers. I call them pickles. I'd say that's pretty good for that plant for one day. It's a hell of a yield. Gonna have to do something with those. See, this plant's kind of like intermingled with jalapeno peppers. There's some habanero peppers down there. I think somewhere my wife even said there's some ghost peppers and some scorpions, some serious hot ones. Oh nice, there's some more jalapenos. I'm gonna let my wife pick those. It's kind of her thing. This one doesn't seem to be doing as well. I'll give that one another day or two. I don't know. This whole system, I don't know why. You know, all of these raised beds were put in at the same time. Look at this one here. Like, that's ridiculous. And then those over here, they get the same amount of sun. If you look out here, I got some serious oak trees in the backyard. Like, these things are older than everybody on the block combined. So got a decent part of sun in the day, but quite a bit of shade too. But yeah, these plants are like insane. Little one starting, doing pretty well. Some tomatoes down here. Oh, the pickle plants pulled the tomatoes down. That's a problem. Wow. Tomatoes gonna be nice too. Here we go. Nice one. That's a good eater. Hey, you almost have to go over these like a couple times. We easily miss some. Oh, what? Jeez. That's probably too big. Let's see if we can't do something with that though. Nice. Like I literally almost walked away. It'd be nice if I could keep them up off the ground though. But I don't know. It's a lot of control. Uh-oh. This one, I thought the rest of them were too big. That's funny. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, this rain definitely made these things insane. Couple more. Yeah. Yeah, we got some work to do. Didn't do something with these things. I haven't even gotten to like the tomatoes yet. See if there's any in there. I'm just like blindly feeling around. Go ahead and pick this one. Probably a better size to keep. I saw another one in here too. Check that out. Like crawling into the... It's probably like one of the youngest ones, closest to the base of the plant. Nice. Might be doing pickles just today. Yeah, this is like a jungle of tomato plants up here too that we've tried to maintain, but they just got too big too quick. Well, guys, I'm sure there's more in there. I'm definitely gonna have my wife go back through it too, but had some serious yield today. I mean, this is just after, like, we pick these a couple days a week, maybe 3 or 4 days a week now, especially since they're starting to turn some numbers. But yeah, and then I'll have her go through the peppers and whatnot. She's got a better eye for that. I think there's even some nice poblanos in here. Nice. Yeah, if y'all think this is something that you'd also like to watch, you know, I find it oddly satisfying, you know, just like the pond stuff that I have over here. So if you like that kind of stuff and want to see more of it, I'll definitely put more regular videos out regarding, you know, whatever our garden is, and then maybe even tearing down and starting up for next season. But for those questioning, I'm located here in Southwest Michigan. So we have just kind of a short season for growing, but yeah, this has been a fun project for sure. Yeah, again, I'm Justin with JB Outdoors. Always remember to spend more time outdoors, and again, I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks.